Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the sound library in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can use. You have your vocal audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to get started using the sound library that GarageBand provides us. Where we can find the sound library, guys, is right here at the top of the screen, and next to our tracks we have the live loops section. The live loops are the sounds that we can get started using, all the pre-made music by Apple that we have that we can use for free to get started with editing, making it into our track, adding effects and so on. So basically, as you can see, you have your page right here, the EDM page, you have your hip hop, dubstep, electro-funk, so on, all the options you can use. And if you want even more options, guys, that you do not see right here, you have your sound library. So click on sound library right here. As you can see, this is now going to go ahead and open up an option of all the packs that you can use. So here, as you can see, you have your content packs, you have your remixes, whatever you want to go ahead and get started with opening up. You have the keyboard collection, ultimate 808s, and so on. Anything you might need to use for making your music, you can find right here. So as you can see, you have the keyboard collection that you can go ahead and open up. Then you can go ahead and preview it, you can get it, buy anything you need, and so on. So basically, that is it, how to get started. Go ahead and explore it for yourself, find what you need, and get started with using it today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.